Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the question and answers or Q&A not showing in your TikTok bio. It's the same thing on an iPhone and on an Android device. So if you appreciate me making this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you are new to the YouTube channel, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. So what you want to do is obviously go on TikTok. And here are a few things that you want to do. The first thing is go over to the three dots at the bottom right corner, click on manage account, and make sure you have a business account. So you should have a switch to a business account right here, and make sure you click that on. If you still don't have it, just like I don't, maybe it's because your app is not updated. So you want to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store, type in TikTok, and update it. If you did that and you still don't have this option, it can be from your country. So there's a lot of free VPNs that you can use. I personally use this one, the first one. It's free. It just asks you to view some ads and stuff like that. And then another option you can do is actually go over to the settings of your iPhone. Click on General right here, then look for iPhone storage, and from iPhone storage you want to find TikTok. Here it is for me, and offload it, which will pretty much reset all the stats. So if this video helped you out, give me a like. Any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I want to see you in the next video. Bye.